What's up, class? Today you will be doing an assignment on Spanish words and phrases, so take out your pencils and start working on your assignment.
Absolutely not. I'm not doing this stupid assignment on Spanish words and phrases. It is way too hard.
Too bad, Maleficent. You are going to do your assignment on Spanish words and phrases, so start working on your assignment right now, or do I need to send you to the headmaster's office?
Fine, I'll do my assignment on Spanish words and phrases.
That's what I thought.
God dang it, I can't believe Miss Neva would make me do my assignment on Spanish words and phrases. This assignment is way too hard. So, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to blow an air horn at Miss Neva. I blew an air horn at you, Miss Neva. That serves you right for making me do my assignment on Spanish words and phrases.
Are you serious? Right now, Maleficent. Not only did you make my ears bleed by blowing an air horn at me, but you also disrupted my class by doing that. You know that blowing air horns at people is extremely rude and disrespectful. That's it. Scram out of my classroom and go to the headmaster's office now.
Well, dang it.
Maleficent, while I was working in my office, I heard a loud air horn noise coming from Miss Neva's classroom. Please explain to me what this is about.
Well, Principal Vince, I blew an air horn at my teacher Miss Neva because she made me do my assignment on Spanish words and phrases.
Maleficent, this is very unacceptable. You don't ever blow air horns at people, especially Miss Neva. It is very rude and disrespectful to do that to someone. You just made Miss Neva's ears bleed and disrupted her class by doing that. You're going to be suspended from this school until the next semester for blowing an air horn at Miss Neva. Get out of the school building and go home immediately.
When Maleficent got home.
Maleficent, are you seriously kidding me right now through phone? Your headmaster has told us that you blew an air horn at Miss Neva, made her ears bleed, and disrupted her class.
You must know that blowing air horns at people is very rude and disrespectful. For that, you will be grounded until 2024. Head upstairs to your room immediately.
I hate you so much, Mom and Dad.